Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Hyundai Accent. First, take a moment to get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust your seat so your feet can easily reach the pedals and your hands comfortably grip the steering wheel. Check your side and rear-view mirrors to ensure clear visibility. Make sure the parking brake is on and the gear selector is in park for automatic or neutral for manual before turning the key or pressing the start button. Now, let's get familiar with the primary controls. The pedal on the right is the accelerator, and the one on the left is the brake. Gently press the accelerator to move forward and apply the brake smoothly to slow down or stop. The steering wheel guides your car. Practice these actions in a quiet, open space to build confidence and develop a feel for the vehicle's responses. If your Accent has an automatic transmission, you'll use park, reverse, neutral, and drive. For a manual, mastering the clutch and smooth gear changes is key. Practice shifting through all gears without stalling. When parking, always use your mirrors and check your surroundings. Learn techniques like parallel parking and backing into spaces to become a confident driver in various situations. Safety is paramount when driving. Always maintain a safe following distance, typically 3 seconds behind the vehicle in front of you. This gives you ample time to react. Obey all speed limits and traffic signals as they are designed to keep everyone safe. Regularly check your mirrors and perform head checks for blind spots before changing lanes or turning. Drive defensively and stay alert.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.